So you might be in this situation where for some reason you're having dirt behind the camera of your iPhone camera lens. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, right? The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is making sure that the dirt isn't on top of the lens by mistake. So what you can do is you can grab some sort of napkin or some sort of other thing like a tissue paper or something like that, and you want to try wiping down that lens. It is actually pretty rare that the camera lens is cracked. If it's a brand new phone, it's very rare that the dirt is under the lens. It can be, but unless it's like a super old phone or there's cracks, visible cracks, try going through and essentially try cleaning out the outside of this particular lens by grabbing some sort of microfiber cloth, gently cleaning this particular lens out. And that's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, you might want to go through and you might want to use a can of compressed air to actually spray inside of this particular camera. So compressed air, you can buy it all over the place. You can buy it at Walmart or something like that. Go grab a can of compressed air and spray it on the sides of this particular phone. If there's any cracks, if there's any ways that there's gaps inside of this particular panel, you want to go through, you want to grab that can, spray it all over the sides of this particular phone, this camera, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, if that's not working, what some people recommend too is by actually moving your phone a little bit and seeing if you can go through and move some of this camera dust out of the way. So essentially kind of like tapping this particular phone like this, and then try seeing if you can get some of this, dust to kind of come out that way. That's another option you might have, and that might end up fixing it as well. So those are a few different ways of going about doing it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.